WMAR 2 News, Maryland's most accurate forecast.
Happy Friday, Maryland. The theme for this weekend will be hot and humid. Take your pick. Both days are going to be feeling very uncomfortable, especially for Father's Day with temperatures slightly warmer than Saturday. But dew point values both days are going to be quite elevated in the upper 60s and the lower 70s. So I like to call it the air that you can wear. It's going to feel quite moist out there for the next few days. Taking a look at the next 12 hours, temperatures drop off into the upper 70s as we head around 9, 10, 11 o'clock, shortly after midnight, dropping off into the mid 70s, and then eventually we will bottom out near that 70-degree mark. We will also deal with some of those showers that roll in mainly after midnight tonight, but they are going to be very quick hitting in nature. Mainly for tomorrow afternoon, that's when we're going to be tracking the better shot for some isolated strong storms, which could contain some gusty winds and even large-sized hail. But hot and humid conditions, again, that will be the big story for tomorrow as well. The UV index also going to be very high at a level 8. So that's why you want to make sure you apply that SPF 30 sunscreen to protect your skin from the sun, as it could only take about 15 to 25 minutes for a sunburn to set in. Right now, satellite radar is still showing some of that cloud cover slowly drifting in from the north and west right now. So a lot of locations, even around western Maryland, dealing with overcast skies. And that's the same case for most portions of Ohio and even Pennsylvania. But this is a look right around 2 to 3 o'clock in the morning. Notice most spots stay dry. That's going to be the trend as we head overnight. A few quick hitting showers can't be ruled out as we wake up tomorrow morning. But tomorrow afternoon, around 2 to 3 o'clock, make sure you pay very close attention to radar and keep an eye to the sky, as some of these cells that move through from west to east could produce some lightning or even some large-sized hail, and also periods of heavier rainfall and gusty winds. So heading into the overnight hours, a few showers could linger. It's mainly because a boundary will kind of be lingering around the area, so that's going to keep the potential for some moisture around as we head into your Sunday morning and even into Father's Day afternoon. You want to make sure, especially for our locations to the south and east of the metro, make sure you stay weather aware, as some of those storms could be containing some heavier rain. But the biggest threats within some of the stronger storms tomorrow will primarily be damaging wind gusts and even some large-sized hail, but they will be very isolated in nature. Looking at your Father's Day forecast, a high temperature of 93 degrees mainly, and we are going to be dealing with those temperatures rising throughout the day very quickly, eventually into the mid 80s by noon, and then lower 90s as we head into around 3 to 4 o'clock in the afternoon. But yes, for Father's Day, if you hopefully you have an air conditioning unit. If not, you definitely want to find a way to stay cool. Also stay hydrated as well. We keep the heat and the humidity around. We're still going to be talking about that heading into your Monday, but then a very powerful cold front slides through and slices through the state, bringing the potential for strong to severe thunderstorms Tuesday. So we're going to be keeping an eye on that, and then less humid and more tranquil heading into the middle of next week.
All right, thanks a lot, Stevie.